Here's how to change the batteries on your Transformers Cyberverse roll and change Bumblebee. All you'll need to do this is 3 small coin batteries. They're LR44s, 1 small Phillips head screwdriver, and also something to pry this little piece of plastic off the back when you get the screw out. There'll be a link for all this in the description below. First thing you need to do is find the little Phillips head screw on the back of the transformer. Now you want to back out this screw. Now that's backed out, you kind of want to pry off this little plastic piece here. I just use a pair of tweezers to get in there, kind of pop it up. Inside you'll find the 3 coin batteries. So you're going to take those batteries out. Now get your new batteries, put them back in. Now take your plastic lid, put that back on top here, and take your screwdriver and tighten that lid back up. And now you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.